Welcome! In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to copy a channel link on WhatsApp web using your PC. With the latest update, this process has become incredibly easy. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to WhatsApp web by visiting web.whatsapp.com. Make sure you're logged into your account by scanning the QR code with your phone if needed. Once logged in, you'll see your chat list on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, locate the Channels section in the left side menu. Click on it to access a list of channels that you're following or exploring. This is where you'll find all the channels available to you. Now, select the channel whose link you want to copy. Simply click on the channel to open it. Once inside the channel, look at the top of the screen and click on its name. This will open a detailed view of the channel's information. In this view, you'll see an option labeled Copy Link. Click on it, and just like that, the link to the channel is now copied to your clipboard. You can paste it anywhere, whether in a chat, an email, or even on social media, to share it with others. And there you have it. By following these quick steps, you can easily copy and share any channel link from WhatsApp web on your PC. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it too. Thanks for watching.